How does Python 3.10 match compares 1 and true? PEP 622, literal pattern says the following. Note that because equality _eq_ is used, and the equivalency between booleans and the integers 0 and 1, there is no practical difference between the following two. And true._eq_1 and 1._eq_true both returns true, but when I run these two code snippets with Python, it seems like case true and case 1 are not same. How are 1 and true actually compared?
Looking at the pattern matching specification, this falls under a literal pattern. A literal pattern succeeds if the subject value compares equal to the value expressed by the literal. Using the following comparisons rules, numbers and strings are compared using the equals operator. The singleton literals none, true and false are compared using the is operator. So when the pattern is it uses is, and 1 is true is false. On the other hand, uses equals, and 1 equals true is true.
If you want to see more